Today on Roti and Rice, we are going to make Gula Melaka Tikoy, nicknamed by my family as Kim Tikoy. Scrub banana leaves with a washcloth under running water. Boil banana leaves, turn off stove and allow them to soften in boiling water for 10 minutes. Wipe them dry and cut the leaves into 2.5-inch wide strips. Line each mug with 6 to 8 banana leaf strips. Make sure the strips overlap each other. Turn the strips over the edge of the mugs. Place a rubber band over the strips to hold them down. Then tie kitchen twine over the leaves. Remove the rubber band and trim the twine and banana leaves so that they are neat. Place a prepared round piece of banana leaf in each mug. Pour water in a small saucepan. Turn on the stove to medium. Drop in the pandan leaves and Gula Melaka. Cover the saucepan and bring water to a boil. Remove the lid and stir to dissolve the Gula Melaka. Continue boiling for 3 minutes. Then turn off stove and allow syrup to cool. Sift glutinous rice flour into a large bowl. Remove pandan leaves from the Gula Melaka syrup and pour into the glutinous rice flour. Stir to form a smooth batter. Place the prepared mugs on a rack suitable for your slow cooker. Divide the batter into the 3 prepared mugs. Transfer the rack to your slow cooker insert filled with 1 to 2 inches of hot water. Place a clean kitchen towel over the top and place the lid on top of the kitchen towel. Set the slow cooker to cook on high for 8 hours. Check and top up water in the slow cooker insert every 2 hours. The tikoy should turn a darker color when done. Remove from slow cooker after finish steaming. Allow the very soft and gooey tikoy to remain in the mugs at room temperature for 24 hours. The tikoy should be firmer and the color darker after 24 hours. Remove them from the mugs. Trim the banana leaves and allow them to become firmer for 3 to 4 days more at room temperature before serving. And that's our fragrant and delicious Gula Melaka Tikoy, fondly known as Orkim Tikoy or Black Gold Tikoy. Do give it a try.